Matter and Energy in Ecosystems, Unit Lesson 1.6, Examining Data from the Biodome. Activity 2, Examining Data from the Biodome. Let's review your responses to the warm-up. What was your advice to Jamie and why? Key concept. When there is more carbon, in the form of carbon dioxide, in abiotic matter, more carbon is available to producers for making energy storage molecules. The gray diamond refers to carbon, the yellow circle with the black dots represents energy storage molecules, and the arrows represent more or less. Key concept. When there is less carbon, in the form of carbon dioxide, in abiotic matter, less carbon is available to producers for making energy storage molecules. Key concept. When there is more sunlight, producers can make more energy storage molecules from the carbon in carbon dioxide. Key concept. When there is less sunlight, producers cannot make as many energy storage molecules from the carbon in carbon dioxide. These key concepts will help you explain why the plants and animals in the biodome do not have enough energy storage molecules. We have a new message. Dr. Corey has sent us some evidence about the carbon dioxide and sunlight in the biodome in order to help us choose between the claims. Let's read the message to find out more. Based on your investigations so far, it seems like there are two possible explanations for the plants and animals in the biodome not having enough energy storage molecules. Claim 1, a change in the amount of carbon dioxide led to a decrease in the amount of energy storage molecules made by producers in the biodome. Claim 2, a change in the amount of sunlight led to a decrease in the amount of energy storage molecules produced or made by producers in the biodome. Before you share your findings with the econauts, you'll need to decide which explanation is best. I'm sending along some data that might help you decide. After you examine the data, send a message to the econauts with the visual model and a written explanation. Dr. Corey sent this graph to help you write your explanation to the econauts. Let's review some of the graph's features so you can examine it properly. The title indicates the graph is about carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water in the biodome. The key has different colors representing carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water. The x-axis is labeled year, which indicates this graph shows changes in the biodome over time. The y-axis is labeled amount, and that's for carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water in the biodome. The y-axis amounts do not have numbers or units because these resources are measured in different ways. What you really need to see is whether these resources changed over time, and exact numbers are not necessary for that. You'll discuss the evidence in pairs using the discussion questions to determine what the graph shows and whether it will help you answer the Chapter 1 question. Students discuss the graph with a partner. End of activity.